Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with international news around the world. PM Imran urges youth to gear up for biggest tree planting campaign in Pakistan's history. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday asked all Pakistanis, especially the youth, to prepare themselves for the biggest tree planting campaign in Pakistan's history ahead of the monsoon season this year. NCOC to discuss physical exams, summer vacations tomorrow. Federal Planning Minister Asad Umar will chair a meeting of the National Command and Operations Center on June 29 to discuss matters related to upcoming exams and summer vacations. UAE Ban on entry from India Unchanged, Federal Aviation Notice says. A United Arab Emirates ban on entry from India, South Africa, Nigeria remains in place, the Federal Aviation Authority said on Sunday after Dubai had announced it would ease entry restrictions from those countries. Ahead of US troops withdrawal, fighting between Afghan troops, Taliban intensifies. Ahead of the US planned troop drawdown, clashes between the Afghan forces and Taliban have intensified with conflicting claims of inflicting losses on each other. Twin blasts target India military base at Jammu airport. 2 Indian Air Force personnel were injured as, according to the Indian media, twin blasts took targeted on Indian military base at Jammu airport during the early hours of Sunday. Gas pipeline and nuclear deal. Rounds of talk between US and Iranian have been held in Vienna this year with positive vibes for salvaging the Iranian nuclear deal signed in 2015 but ironically revoked by the former US President Trump in 2018. Antony Blinken held first meetup with Israel's new Foreign Minister. Meeting took place as Joe Biden's administration moves ahead with fresh talks on reviving 2015 accord with Iran. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken met Israel's new top diplomat on Sunday in the United States' first face-to-face meeting with the freshly installed government that seeks a less combative approach with its main ally. Outbreaks emerge across Australia in new phase of pandemic. A COVID outbreak in Sydney linked to the highly contagious Delta variant has grown to 128 cases. A small number of positive infections have also been recorded in the Northern Territory, Queensland and Western Australia. US and Canada Heatwave. Pacific Northwest sees record temperatures. People have been taking refuge at cooling centers. A sweltering heatwave has hit large parts of the US Pacific Northwest and Canada, sending records tumbling.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.